Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel Subhasri ma'am. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will do how to find square root by long division method. Children, this is very easy, but you have to learn properly, and if you watch the video till the end, your all confusion will be cleared. Okay, so first one I am doing the basic, the easiest one, so that your concept will be clear 100%. First you write 576, then make the pair from right side. 76 and 5 is alone, so keep it alone. We know 2 2s are 4, so we take 2. Okay, now you will write 2 here 2 times and give one plus sign also. You will add these two. Next you will do 2 2s are 4. You write here 4. Now you will subtract. 5 minus 4 is what? 1. So write 1. And here you do 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, write 4. Now the trick I am going to tell you, so that it will be easier to select the number which one you want to select. Okay, here 176, so last digit is 6. This is the trick. You will find out by multiplying which two numbers we are getting 6. That we will check. 2 2s are 4, not working, not 6. 3 3s are 9, not working. But 4 4s are 16. Yes, the last digit of 16 is 6. So we will take 4. Here you will write 2 times. Now 44 into 4 is what? 44 into 4. 4 4 are 16. 6 1 carry. 4 4 are 16 plus 1 17. Yeah, we got 176. So you got your answer, but stop. You have to check your answer is correct or not. You will add 44 plus 4 is 48. This 48 should be double of 24. 24 into 2, 48. This way always you will check whether your sum is correct or not. Now let us do next question number 2. We will find out the square root of 17956. As usual, from right side you will make pair. 56, 79 and 1 is alone. So we know we will take 1 because 1 1s are 1. You write 1 2 times here. Okay. Now put one plus sign so that we will not forget to add these two. 1 1s are 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 plus 1 2, so write here 2. And now take 79 down. Here 3 3s are 9. Okay, so let us multiply and check. 23 into 3, what is coming? It is coming 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, so we will take 3. So we will write 3 2 times here, and you will do plus sign. Now 23 into 3, 69. So you write 69. Now simply you will subtract. 79 minus 69 equals to 10, and 23 plus 3 equals to 26. Now 56 will come down. Now you apply the trick. What is 4 4s are 16, so last digit is 6, so we will take 4. 2 6 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 6 1 carry. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. Yes, we got it. 1056. So don't forget to write 4 2 times here, and 264 into 4 is 1056. So you got your answer, but you have to check now our sum is correct or wrong. For that you add this 268, which is double of 134. So our sum is correct. Okay, always you do this checking for your confirmation. Clear now? Now we will do the next sum number 3. in this some children this is little different and many children stuck in one step and can't understand what to do the next. So please watch carefully with and focus it properly. Okay, first we will simply make pair 49, 14 and 1 alone. So 1 ones are 1, so we will take 1. Don't forget to write here 2 times 1 and 1 time here. So and 1 plus 1 we will give plus sign and 1 ones are 1. 1 so 1 minus 1 0 and 1 plus 1 2. Now the problem when 14 come down. If we take 1 then 21 into 1 21 which is greater than 14. So what to do? We will take 49 down. So for that we will put 1 0 here and don't forget to put that 0 here also. Okay, now after adding 0 then only you can take 49 down. Now we will check. First 3 3s are 9. So let us check 203 into 3 is what? 3 3s are 9 0 6 6 0 9. Big difference. We will check one more number. Let us 7 7 ja 49. Yeah, 49 last digit is 9. The 207 into 7 is 1449. So we got it. So let us take 7. So write here 7 2 times and 207 into 7 1449. So write that 1449. So your answer has come, that is 107. And don't forget to check your sum. 214 is double of 107. Okay, I hope all of you understood. If you think the video is helpful for you, please don't forget to press the like button and share more and more with your friends. Okay, now one more important sum I am doing, that is sum number 4. In this sum also many students get confused. Okay, so let's start. First we will make pair from right side. 56, then 47 and 5 is alone. 5 is there, so we will take 2 because 2 2s are 4. So write 2 2 times, so and give plus sign. 2 2s are 4, so write 4 here. Then subtract 5 minus 4, that is 1. And 2 plus 2 4 you write here. Now what will come? 47 will come down. Now you see what you will do. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, but 7 is not there. This is the confusion. So let us check. First 42 into 2, what is coming? 84, big gap. 147 and 84, big gap. Let us check 42 and 3. Let us take 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. It is 129. Okay, but let's check 4 also. 44 into 4, 176. So it is bigger than 147. So we will not take 4. We will take 3. So write 3 2 times here. And now we will write 44 into 3 is 120. 43 into 3 is 129. So write 129. We subtract. 17 minus 9 is 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1. And now we will add these two. 43 plus 3, 46. Now 56 will come down. Now we know the trick. You will apply that. So 46. After 46, if we add 4, means we take number 4, what we will get? 464 into 4, 1856. Why we have taken 4? Because 4 4s are 16, that's why. So now for 464 into 4 is 1856. You got your answer. Don't forget to check your sum also. 464 is double of 234. So our sum is correct. Right, children? If you have any doubt, any question, definitely you can ask me in comment box. I will definitely clear your doubt. Okay. And in next video, I will show you how to find the square root of decimal numbers. Okay. This is very important and very often comes in exam. So don't miss it. Wait for that video, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that when I will upload you will get the notification. Okay, so today is this much, children, and bye bye.